Let's take a look at the Spirit Engineering booth at Oshkosh AirVenture 2026. The big reveal this year was a prototype full canopy. You may remember that the Spirit SE-1 was one of the biggest surprises at AirVenture last year. It showed up almost completely under the radar, a production-ready, fun, great-looking single-seat airplane with an attractive starting price of $69,000, ready to fly. Since last year, Spirit has delivered 42 aircraft already and taken orders from more than 100. This map shows where aircraft have been delivered from their headquarters in Grand Junction, Colorado. They've clearly tapped into the fun and affordable side of aviation with an airplane that flies great, looks great, and has folding wings. That means it can be trailered home or stored in a garage when it isn't being flown. The canopy displayed at Oshkosh was their very first prototype, assembled just one day before the show opened. It attaches using a single hinge pin, making it easy to remove and reinstall. Owners will be able to switch between the standard windshield and the fully enclosed canopy depending on the weather and the type of flying they want to do. Flight testing will resume right after the show, and Spirit will be publishing numbers on its impact. Spirit also manufactures its own 42 horsepower V-twin engine, which gives the SE-1 a distinctive sound and 100-mile-an-hour cruise speed, while keeping maintenance relatively simple. They're currently quoting a 724-hour TBO, but they're continuing to stress test the engine, and they expect that number to increase over time. To say Spirit Engineering has been successful would be an understatement. The SE-1 continues to be one of the most exciting new entries in the sport aviation market, and I hope they continue to have fantastic success. I look forward to seeing them next year at AirVenture 2027. Stay tuned for more Silva Adventure Oshkosh 2026 updates.